And special thanks to our friends at SUPCASE who were nice enough to send us this Unicorn Beetle Pro iPhone 15 case. Inside of here is a very nice iPhone case. We have little installation instructions, a nice belt clip. I personally really like belt clips. They are my favorite. And then this is your case. So start on this corner, peel back, take your case apart, more foam, and that is your case. So if you were to put this on your iPhone 15, you just take the side, pop it in first, and then take the back, pop back in, and then it should all nicely pop right around. Look at that. You have your volume rocker here, little protector for your switch for the volume, nice cutout for the speakers, as well as a protective cover for your USB-C port, power button, front-facing camera module, and your back camera module. And the best part about this is it's MagSafe with a little hidden stand. So you're able to just kind of hit this button, stand pops out. You can set your phone like this while you're at lunchtime to watch a video, or use it to help hold your phone while you're using it. And then easily push it out of the way when you're done. That is essentially what this SUPCASE Unicorn Beetle Pro case would look like on your iPhone 15. Thanks again to SUPCASE for sending this to me. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.